Welcome to the NewsRamp Leadership and Management Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Wednesday afternoon, July 31st, 2024, and we have a lineup of leadership and management headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Builders Capital announces new lending division and significant headcount growth. Builders Capital has expanded its loan production operations by adding over 40 new team members to its new lending division, Casa Lending. Led by Jonathan Andrews, the division will focus on local and regional real estate investor markets, with loan sizes ranging from $100,000 to $3 million. This strategic move aims to tap into underserved markets and solidify Builders Capital's position as a top private lender in the nation. The recent $500 million growth capital transaction with Intervest has further fueled the firm's growth, surpassing $10 billion in originated loans as of 2024. To learn more about Casa Lending, visit builderscapital.com.
Benchmark International successfully facilitated the transaction between International Contract Assembly Group, L.L.C. and AAT USA LLC. Benchmark International recently facilitated a transaction between International Contract Assembly Group, LLC and AAT USA LLC. ICAG, based in Nogales, Arizona, specializes in contract manufacturing of metal parts and electronic assemblies, as well as offering warehousing and distribution services. AAT USA LLC, located in Columbus, Ohio, focuses on providing cost-effective solutions for clients through their in-house industrial designers and engineers. Both parties are looking forward to leveraging their strengths and continuing to grow together. For more information on Benchmark International and their M&A services, visit their website.
American Battery Materials appoints oilfield drilling executive Chris McClanahan to advisory board. American Battery Materials, Inc. appoints Chris McClanahan, an oilfield drilling executive, to its advisory board. With over 30 years of experience in the industry, Mr. McClanahan's expertise will be valuable as ABM advances its assets in southern Utah. He emphasizes the importance of establishing a reliable domestic supply chain for critical minerals. ABM is focused on direct lithium extraction and supporting the country's energy transition. For more information, visit AmericanBatteryMaterials.com. Forward-looking statements caution about risks and uncertainties. This press release does not constitute an offer to sell securities. For investor relations, contact +1-800-998-7962 or ir@AmericanBatteryMaterials.com.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Leadership and Management Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.